Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Look at this amazing, stunning view with the fog, the sun. Absolutely gorgeous. We had a super busy Saturday, which kept us in town, so we decided we needed to stay close, and we came to a favorite spot that we go to when we just want to have a fire. We have a few people who are going to join us so far. We have our buddy Brian. Hi, Brian. We found Brian.
So yeah, where's Waldo with this kid now?
Exactly. We're gonna try out some new cooking techniques today as well.
We are.
And it's gonna be great.
It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be.
Fisherman.
Yeah, the boat looks really, the fog isn't crazy.
Actually, it's lifted quite a bit. Look at the golden air zone. Looks beautiful.
The mountains are stunning.
That's so West Coast, isn't it? Right there?
It is. I gotta get a photo of that actually. Hi.
Hi, good to see you.
It's been like...
I should park in that one, you mean?
Brian says you can either or, because Kaylia backed up too, so...
Okay.
Or is he moving? Oh, I don't know what he's doing.
Well guys, like everybody else on this planet, sometimes we just can't get away. We know this is probably not the video you were looking forward to, but it's a reality. Sometimes we just can't get out of the city. So when we can't get out of the city, we actually like to surround ourselves with our friends and family and cook some good food. So hopefully you'll follow along and watch this because, hey,
You guys remember Brian?
Yeah.
we had a good day.
Hello.
What's up, child?
How are you?
Good about yourself.
I'm good.
How are you? What's up, buddy? Good. Good.
And what are we going to make today?
You know what we're making. Stew. Looks like you're composing something. Ladies and gentlemen, we're making stew. You climb out in the rain and you're yeah, the heat are going.
So we watched some of our friends cooking on a tripod over an open fire, making some delicious food, and we thought, yeah, that's something we need to do. So Amazon to the rescue, and here we
Do
are.
you need a bowl, or you just?
This is gonna be fun.
I was just going to throw the pieces in with the flour, actually, to be honest. But I'm just wondering if we should probably get this on,
What is it?
to be honest. And
Get it
you
heated
brought
up?
oil, right?
Right in front of you, in the purple one.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Yeah, you put that oil in there.
What's wrong with you?
What kind of oil is it?
Actually, it's peanut, to be exact. I think it's peanut oil.
Strange.
Yeah, it keeps people's allergies away.
Is that enough?
Now having said that, I don't think we thought this meal
That should be, I
through
think.
fully.
Okay.
What I mean by that is we have a vegan here. Kaylia's partner is allergic to almost pretty much everything, and she doesn't like beef. So was this well thought out? I think me and Joanne are going to have leftovers.
I'll get that oil heated up on the fire.
Perfect.
The funniest part about our oversight is you're going to see her offer it to everybody later. Know your audience, I guess, right?
That's flipping hot. All right.
That's really neat. So Rona had these adorable live little
Oh, they were so cute.
stumpy little
They
trees.
kind of look like me.
They were so cute.
Just short and stumpy. It's getting there.
It's sizzling.
It is sizzling.
Yeah, 200.
This is fucking camping.
Your mom's gonna be watching.
Now we gotta put in a bleep.
Smells amazing, doesn't it?
This is gonna be so good.
It's gonna be good.
How is it?
It's good.
It's really good.
Woo! Look at she go. Woo!
It's nice and thick too now.
It has reduced a lot.
And then we will probably add the vegetables at this point. Potato.
Potato, carrot,
And we'll save the celery.
onion. Oh, onion's already in, you're right.
probably reduce a little bit now, to be honest.
That's amazing. Not sticking to the bottom or anything?
Nope,
Awesome.
all clear. And finally the celery.
All right, so we are going to thicken our stew.
Little spicy slurry going on. Looks weird with the spices in there. Never really done that before.
No, this is a new experience.
That'll be fun. Get in there.
Yummy.
I'll just let this sit and rest a little bit.
Yum.
I got it.
Do I have to burn my mouth and try it or what?
You should definitely give it a try.
Just
Let it cool.
so scared. Yeah, that's the problem. I always burn myself. Nice and thick.
Oh, this is going to be so good.
Should be pretty amazing.
I got it.
Okay. Hot. But it's good.
Haba good. All right.
Oh yeah, no, that's really good.
Perfect.
All right. What do you think?
This is amazing stew. Oh, there goes the time-lapse
Oh,
camera.
I was like, is this one crapping out?
No, this turned out absolutely amazing. Well done. Well done.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It is delicious. There's lots if anybody wants to try it. What a good day. All right, so today I am doing a review, but it's not a booze review. So a friend of mine at work, Ashley, thank you very much, presented me with a Purdy's Campfire bar. So what it is a milk chocolate, marshmallow, caramel, and biscuit bar. So essentially a s'mores, I would guess. And she suggested I review it. So here we go, Ashley. Thank you. Okay. All me.
It's definitely a bar.
It's definitely a bar. Oh my god, look at the layer of caramel. This is really good.
Can I show the inside?
I think that potentially it's not supposed to be as solid as it is,
But it's cold out here.
but it's cold out here, so I think take a bite.
That's incredible, actually.
You're not filming yourself?
Yeah, that's damn good.
That's pretty good. You want a bite? Well, I don't think you got any of the stuff. Maybe a
That's
little.
good.
So Ashley, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 thumbs up. Thank you so much for this yummy, yummy treat. It is amazing. If you're ever in Purdy's and you see this, definitely grab yourself one.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate you guys coming along. It's been so much fun. I guess until next time, get out there, enjoy life, and
Find your moments.
see you guys.